Only mouse pointer is visible, and I'm only moving the cursor. Control, Alt, and Delete also not working. Windows 10 login screen doesn't appear. I'm trying to repair. Press and hold the power button to turn it off. Again, repeat this process 2-3 times until you see the Preparing Automatic Repair screen. In case not work Windows Automatic Repair screen, please follow this step. Use other computer or laptop and open web browser.
Drive into this laptop. I'll open up the browser and navigate to Google search. I will type Media Creation Tool Windows 10 and press Enter. I will click on the first link that says Download Windows 10 Disk Image from Microsoft. Scroll down to the section where it says Create Windows 10 Installation Media and click on Download Tool Now. Once it is downloaded, I will open up the setup file Media Creation Tool by clicking on it. When it opens up, it will come up with the wizard and says getting a few things ready. When it is ready, it will show you the license agreement terms. Simply click on accept. Again, it will say getting a few things ready. Once it is done, it will USB flash drive, DVD, or ISO file for another PC because we are performing an installation from scratch. I will click Next. On the next screen, it will ask you to select your language, edition, and architecture. You can leave the option Use the recommended options for this PC checked, and the option selected for language, edition, and architecture would also match for another PC where you will install Windows 10. Otherwise, you can uncheck Use the recommended options for this PC and manually select your language, edition, and architecture. Regarding the architecture, it is based on your processor, whether it is a 32-bit processor or 64-bit processor. All new PCs come with a 64-bit processor. It is very rare these days to use a PC with 32-bit processor. I will leave the option Use the recommended options for this PC checked and click Next. Now in the Select a USB flash drive screen, I will select my USB drive, which is F drive. If you don't see your USB drive or just plugged in your USB drive to the PC, click on Refresh Drive List to see your drive and click Next, and it will start downloading Windows 10. Now you can see the download has completed, and the setup screen will verify the download and will start copying the Windows 10 installation media to the USB drive. When it completes, click Finish to close the Media Creation Tool window. Alright, the USB drive is now a bootable drive and contains Windows 10 installation media. I will eject this drive and remove it from this PC. Now I will plug mouse. You can navigate using your mouse to save the changes. After selecting the USB drive to boot with, the Windows 10 setup will prompt to press any key to boot from CD or DVD. I will simply... So if you see this Windows icon, it's a good sign. It means you've done everything correct up to this point. There's also videos on my channel as well on how to actually create the Windows 10 installation media, so feel free to go ahead and look into that. I'll probably actually include a link in the description of the video. Okay, so it says Windows setup here, so everything would be a normal Windows setup just by selecting Next here. But instead of selecting Install Now, you're going to select Repair Your Computer at the bottom left corner of the screen. Now, underneath Choose an option, you have quite a few options to choose from once we get into it, but first thing we're going to do is select Troubleshoot, Reset Your PC, or see Advanced Options. Go ahead and select that. I'm going to go ahead and select my operating system, and just give this a couple of minutes here, just like the last fix we went. Okay, so you can see your PC did not start correctly. Press restart PC. You can also try advanced options, try other advanced options to repair your PC. So it appears that method did not resolve the issue for us. However, you could try restarting, which would just be a normal restart. Otherwise, we can go back into advanced options here. So just another way of accessing what would already run there, basically. So anyway, under you choose an option, let's select troubleshoot again. We're going to select advanced options. So I guess this will be method number 3 here. We're going to go over. And honestly, I would suggest for a command prompt, use the command prompt for advanced troubleshooting. So go ahead and start that.
You can't type check disk /R. For repaired disk file, type Y for yes to continue. Wait for some minutes. Once done, you can type sfc/scan now. This command for Windows file check and repair. Once verification is done, then type exit and hit enter and restart your system. Wow, it's done. Our system is working perfectly. If you liked the video, please comment and subscribe my channel with all your heart.